Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Qasim, and today on Tip Tuesday, I want to show you all how to use the night mode on the iPhone 12. Now, this is a new feature that is for the 12, the 12 Pro, or if you're waiting for the Pro Max or 12 Mini, you're going to be able to use it on those two that are coming in November. So this is going to be useful because I've been playing around with it and it's a really great feature. Alright guys, so when you go to capture a shot, you're going to notice in that bottom left, notice that yellow circle icon with the 3S next to it. So if you tap on this, this is basically how long the phone is going to take to capture your nighttime shot. Now, when you tap on this little slider comes up and you can manually adjust how long you want the iPhone to take to capture a good shot. So you can adjust this all the way up to 10s, which is 10 seconds. So do keep in mind that when you do capture the shot, you're going to have to keep the phone steady and hold it in place until the phone captures the shot. And after you go ahead and snap a picture, this little dial over here is going to turn into a timer for us. So I'm going to show you guys that now. So let's go ahead and capture this shot. And see, now that dial has turned into a little timer. So you just want to hold the phone steady. And there we go. This is the shot that it came out with. So this is how you do nighttime shots on the iPhone 12. And sorry if I'm stuttering a little bit, but it is freaking cold outside, so I had to wait till nighttime, and it is starting to get cold here. Alright, so that's going to do it for this episode of Tip Tuesday, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below with any questions or anything that you'd like to say, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you all in the next video.